welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets endured wild swings as traders anxiously awaited a US regulatory decision to list spot-based Ether exchange-traded funds.
Bitcoin is still robust and has a positive weekly trend even with today's modest decline. The significant gains made by Ethereum demonstrates its potential and investors' faith in its upcoming improvements.
In a second landmark decision this year, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has given the regulatory green light to spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the United States.
In a May 23rd filing, the SEC approved the 19B4 filings from VanEck, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, ARK 21 Shares, Invesco Galaxy, and Bitwise, approving the rule changes allowing spot Ether ETFs to be listed and traded on their respective exchange.
Well, amid the volatile episode, the liquidations across all leveraged crypto derivative positions soared to over $350 million during the day, the most since May 1, CoinClass data shows.
Meanwhile, WisdomTree has been given the green light to list Bitcoin and Ether ETPs on the London Stock Exchange. The asset manager said it was among the first applicants to have its prospectus given the go-ahead by the FCA.
Well, the physical Bitcoin and physical Ethereum ETPs are expected to start trading on May 28 and will be available only to professional investors.
The approval of the Ether ETP and Bitcoin ETP listing on the LSE highlights the growing institutional interest in digital assets and the acceptance of their legitimacy as investable securities.
In other news, miners' daily income has dropped from $74.9 million to over $36 million after the BTC halving. The average monthly miner revenue from fees was less than 5% prior to the halving, but it is currently above 10%, a high level.
The Biden administration's recent announcement regarding 30% tax on electricity used for digital asset mining operations is raising concerns within the crypto miners.
Moreover, the Middle East is becoming an increasingly viable option because there are often fewer taxes, abundant energy, and less onerous environmental regulations there.
Miners are sponsoring high-risk projects on the BRC20 token standard in an attempt to offset lost earnings. These business endeavors are risky yet offer rapid profits.
As we discussed, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has given the regulatory green light to spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the United States.
Market participants are hoping that the approval of Ethereum ETFs is a positive sign for the Ethereum blockchain and could indirectly benefit the Ethereum NFT market by generating more interest and investment in the Ethereum ecosystem.
Well, days before the approval of ETH ETF, we have seen a surge in Ethereum NFT activity following VanEck's DTCC listing of its spot Ethereum ETF. Shortly after it was listed on the DTCC stock market with the ticker ETHV, there was a noteworthy market rise in the NFT market.
The global NFT market generated $22 million in trading sales volume in the last 24 hours, a 25% increase from the day before. Ethereum was the most traded NFT blockchain during this time, with a 33% increase in the sales volume of Ethereum-based NFTs.
And these Ethereum-based NFT collections have generated over $8 million in trading sales volume in the last day. The top 5 best-selling NFT collections which made the most of this ETH ETF hype are Milady Maker, CryptoPunks, The Captains, Redacted Remelia Babies, and Putty Penguins.
In another news, Magic Eden, one of the leading multi-chain NFT marketplaces, has launched a non-fungible token collection on its Bitcoin NFT marketplace to celebrate the historic Bitcoin Pizza Day.
That's great, and in a blog post, Magic Eden confirmed inscribing pizza sats on a Bitcoin Ordinal protocol to celebrate the historic Bitcoin Pizza Day.
So on 22nd May 2010, Laszlo Hanias spent 10,000 BTC to buy 2 pizzas. Today, his Bitcoin investment would be worth $700 million, making it a rare occurrence in the short crypto history.
Magic Eden has inscribed pizza sats on the Bitcoin blockchain network using the Ordinal protocol. Rare sats, specifically pizza sats, will allow holders to own a piece of that history.
The Pizza Ordinal collection has a limited supply of 11,100 ordinals listed on the Bitcoin blockchain network. In the meantime, the NFT collection has already amassed a trading sale volume of 147 BTC, equivalent to over $10 million.
Well, in another interesting development in the metaverse sector, Siemens and Sony will launch an industrial VR headset for the latter's industrial metaverse focus by December 2024.
According to Siemens, the product is currently integrated with Siemens engineering design platform NX and will be expanded to other products.
And as the name suggests, the industrial VR headset will mainly focus on industry product engineering and design, unlike the current products available in the market like Apple Vision Pro or Meta's Quest Pro.
Simultaneously, the Sandbox has partnered with Bitcoop, Thailand's top blockchain network, to expand Bitcoop's metaverse within Sandbox.
The integrated Metaverse Hub will give all the users an opportunity to interact with some of the most desirable entities on the Bitcup metaverse.
The interaction and interconnection of entities will pave the way for improvements in factors related to interoperability and an all-inclusive exposure for users.
Well, in order to celebrate this partnership, Sandbox and Bitcup are offering exclusive NFT giveaways.
Moving on, the Web3 gaming ecosystem is reaching for the moon. In April 2024, the Web3 gaming industry experienced a significant investment boom, reaching nearly $1 billion.
Well, this growth is driven by the promise of decentralized gaming experiences, where players have ownership and control over in-game assets through blockchain technology.
Platforms like Polygon and Immutable have been at the forefront of this trend, leveraging their blockchain infrastructure to enhance game interoperability and player engagement.
Well, analysts predict that Web3 gaming could onboard up to more than 100 million gamers over the next 2 years, boosting investor confidence.
Apart from this, several high-profile investments in April demonstrate the diverse interest in Web3 gaming. Noteworthy deals include significant funding rounds for game development studios and blockchain gaming platforms.
Unquestionably, the reason why Web3 gaming industry is experiencing significant investment is due to the integration of sophisticated tokenomics within games, which is enhancing player engagement by providing economic incentives tied to gameplay.
A lot happening in the blockchain sector in the MENA region especially. One such typical case is UAE's Sharjah Islamic Bank joining the blockchain fraud platform Hayfin Alliance, marking its 14th member. The alliance aims to improve risk management procedures and reinforce trust in lending practices.
Well, another significant update is Dubai's Road and Transport Authority signing an MOU with Smart Crowd Holding Limited, a digital platform specializing in real estate investment and crowdfunding across the Middle East and North Africa.
The MOU will develop a blockchain NFT digital platform to attract investments in real estate and public facilities in Dubai's emirate.
Furthermore, there is very good news for all you fashionistas. Your very own favorite brand, Hugo Boss, has launched its new customer loyalty program, Hugo Boss XP, which will be linked to the Hugo Boss customer app.
The program will offer levels and points to users and is set to launch in the UK in June. The company aims to boost engagement by focusing on customer experience and lifetime value.
Well, the program's standout feature is its blockchain and Web3 capabilities, which will allow users to collect and redeem NFTs, which can unlock exclusive products, unique brand experiences, and additional offers. The company plans to allow customers to trade their tokens with one another in the future.
Well, that's all in Weekly Wrap for now. This is Muruchi Sharma signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.